SEAT stock is in a strong bearish trend, down, as you can see, 35.3% in the regular session of today, the 6th of May 2025. Its earnings outcomes, I believe, were quite disappointing. It is now in at its 52-week lows. It seemed to have gotten the support from this downward projection of, let's see, that this it's $1.77. So as things stand right now, um, all the moving averages on this 4 hour chart are bearish. Even though the trend before now, as of Monday, as of Monday the 21st, the before now, or rather from that time up till yesterday, the 5th, the trend was a bullish one. But everything has now changed given this decline of around 35%. So as things stand right now, we have that it's not it's going to decline a lot further. If you like, it's going to contract some of this negative volatility it has printed, but it will be with a to the downside. It's going to decline further. Yeah, and consolidate down that way. This is based on its 4 hour chart, and as always and as usual, it's always they always the extrapolation is that it will contract into or across the wedge that is formed by the extrapolation of the 10 and 21 period moving averages. At some point, they might pick up strength, maybe roughly a week from today, or, okay, more than, okay, you could say 7 trading sessions from today, the 6th of May. But in any case, if you come down to its daily chart, you see something different. Unlike all the other stocks we've been seeing of late, yes, underlying trend is equally bearish here. All the moving averages are sloping bearishly lower. Yeah, all of them are. Um, Here we have the reverse. The reverse is the case. We're not really looking at a contraction. We're looking at a pivot expected from tomorrow. Tomorrow, as a matter of fact, expected from today, the 6th. It's expected that today it's going to pivot. Today's plunge will be the pivot point. That is what is expected, and it's going to. This is all of these. Bear in mind, their extrapolations. There's no guarantee that they will happen. It's expected to continue to show rebound and recover up till what is it called? Up till Thursday as well. The same day the trend on the same day the extrapolation on a 4 hour chart indicated that it will look up. That's also the same day it's projecting here. So there's a convergence in that regard. And it's so we are looking at a pivot before a pivot to the upside. And the 10-day moving average, the 21-day moving average is expected to serve as a resistance at that point as well. But ultimately, it will expect it to recover. It's believed that maybe the deep buyers are going to come in and pick up the slacks that are here now. And as usual as well, it's expected to do some contraction within the after a volatile a rebound that is expected. It's expected to contract within that the same wedge as well as usual. So on this daily chart, what do we have? We have what sort of projections do we have? Let's see whether we can pick up some. We have 2.9 and 3.02. These are the upper projections we have. And what else? We can also have a look at the probabilities and see what they are indicating. Let's see. It's always difficult when they're all bunched up. There you can see now this 40, 21, and 10-day moving averages are all bunched up. It might be a bit complicated for us to. Yeah, I know how I'm going to get them. Sometimes they're all bunched up. It might be difficult to see them, but I remember there's a data field here. This here I'll be able to pick up the no let's see, I'll be able to pick up the figure I'm looking at. I'm trying to find what the probabilities are. So So these are indicating the probabilities of the stock staying above, the price staying above or staying below. Let's see whether we can, yeah. So let's see web trend probability. Where is it? Yeah, okay, down here. Um, yeah, it's not giving me any figure now. Strange. Let's see. We should be able to see what they're saying. What's here? Um, okay, yeah, it's not giving us any value. Okay, I'll come back. Regardless, I'll get them anyway. I think all of them are 90. So the probability of it staying below these moving averages, the 10, 21, and the 40 day moving averages are all greater than 90. Yeah, greater than 90%. So not anytime soon, especially not in this trading session. It's not, yeah. And then obviously for its 40-day moving average, 200-day moving average, probability of it staying below that is also 64%. So we can try and have a look at the momentum indicator. It's likely going to give us a value that is indicating that yes, the probability of it printing, surpassing its 10-day moving average will be very slim. Let's look at it. Let's have a look and see. You can see that negative 25 to negative 2.5891. So the probability of it, you know, rebounding today and surpassing that 10-day moving average is very, 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 very. The chance is very slim, very slim. Yeah, just as was expected. Momentum is expected to pick up in the coming days, and expected to peak by Tuesday the 20th. Yeah, so a rebound is forecasted, is extrapolated. Who knows whether that's going to happen? There's no guarantee as well that it's going to happen. No guarantee at all that that will be the case. No guarantee at all. Yeah, let's. Yeah, okay. Okay, we can have a look at the 4 hour chart and see what if there's any if there are any upper projections here on the 4 hour chart. We let's see on the 4 hour chart. We what do we have? We have yeah. Let me see. I have removed. Okay, yeah. We just have only one projection, $2.29, 2.29. We could even try and try to be. Let's try to be a bit ambitious. None of this is. There's no guarantee that any of this will happen, but we are trying to be really ambitious now. If we take this rejection at 2.78 and take 2.78 and take 1.81, that will give us 2.7. That will be one minus, so that will be 0.93. 0.93 will be the difference. 0.93 multiplied by 1.618, add that to the current price of 1.79. We have a rebound of 3.29. That's really ambitious. 3.29 will be somewhere here. Somewhere here. Somewhere 3.29 will be somewhere here. What's the probability of that happening? 3.2, yeah, 3.29. Okay, we actually looking at looking at all the moving averages here. You can see that all the moving averages here, they're all greater than 3.29. Yeah, let's see, 3.29. So the probability of it rebounding to those sort of levels is actually more than 50%. So yeah, it's I think the reason behind this high probability of it rebounding or retesting 3.29 is because maybe when it was retracing, maybe it had for some reason it had the moving averages were very high. Yeah, it was sprinting with very high moving averages, but it doesn't make it doesn't make any more plausible that it will happen. Yeah, so as things stand right now, SEAT is down 36.02%, and printed an intraday low of 1.68. Its earnings outcomes were a bit disappointing, and the company has suspended its earnings disclosure, isn't it? Let's see now. We have here, let's see. Yeah, I got a downgrade, and then here it's saying lower following Q1 results and suspended guidance for fiscal year 2025. Let's see, yeah, okay. NCNA sank 67%. Okay, let's see. We're trying to find, okay, it's not part of them, but it's there. It's, yeah. Okay, you can even see the target price is 4.79, and we're here struggling to project 3.29. Yeah, so that's what's going on with SEAT. Um, on the daily chart, strength is expected to come in like right away. But don't bank on that. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.